Best ways to finance your new car. Life can be summed up in major decisions and events: high school graduation, first job, house purchase, and car purchase. Yes, getting a car is a major life decision, especially if it's your first. A lot of factors must be considered. What brand of car do you want? What model suits you most? How much are you willing to spend to buy a car? And how are you going to finance the purchase? Perhaps you've been dreaming of getting a new car for some time now. You've been checking out models and making comparisons to evaluate the options you have. Buying a car is no small deal. You need to carefully consider the cost and financing options and how to negotiate a deal before turning up at the dealership.